Hi.
Hello.
Good
Hello.
morning.
Morning,
Good morning.
everyone.
Good morning, everybody. Yay. So, good morning, everyone. For those who are just waking up to their coffees. So, what are you guys having?
And tea?
Coffee.
Tea.
And I
Isa
have
po.
a special breakfast, ensaymada, pasalubong from
Wow,
Pilipinas.
sarap.
So good morning,
Penye.
everybody, especially to our viewers. So it's basically 7 o'clock in the morning from Bangkok, my time here, and I guess it's 8 o'clock in the morning in the Philippines. Magandang umaga
Yes,
po,
Yes.
you're right.
everybody.
Magandang
Very.
umaga.
Magandang umaga. So
Umaga.
today is a Sunday, and we are your moms who are waking up very early for all of you guys.
Yes.
For our third episode of Zoe, or we call ourselves the Zelus Online Entrepreneurs. And for today, you are on a luck because we are revealing our third secret, which is our what's our third secret? The insider secrets, Zelus Online Entrepreneurs' third reveal would be about inside the daily lives of our online entrepreneurs. We're basically opening up our secrets, our habits, the things behind the scene of what does our life look like daily when we do our digital
Yes.
business. So yeah, so good morning once again. Good morning, Asia. We are your beautiful ladies from Bangkok and Philippines.
Yes.
So, a quick introduction. So, first off, my name is Mary. I'm basically based here in Bangkok with my husband Meng, and I have a daughter, 4-year-old daughter. And I'm a sales executive by profession, and my husband Meng is an engineer. We are both in the engineering industrial business. And at the same time, we're doing this digital business as a side hustle during our free time. So we have been blessed to learn about this business last year, and we're very happy to be learning and exploring and growing with these beautiful ladies with me today. So yeah, next off is Betty. Please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. Good morning. Magandang umaga kung saan man kayo naroroon or sa Wadika kung nandito kayo sa Thailand.
Yun.
Yes, I'm Betty and I'm a mother of one and I'm a wife. I'm a teacher and andito sa Thailand, OFW for more than 18 years already. And yeah, I joined this business kahit napaka-busy ng buhay dahil may nakikita akong maganda sa business na ito. Yun. Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank
Tama ka dyan, Betty. Yes. Meron talagang potential. So there. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday morning from Metro Manila, Philippines. I'm Ayin. I'm a wife. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have a 7-year-old daughter. And of course, digital entrepreneurs just like these beautiful ladies here. So there, I balance my time building our family digital business. Plus, I also homeschool my little daughter. So yun, I'm very excited to share a glimpse of my journey to with all of you today. So good morning.
Okay, so ako naman pala si Pia. So sawadi ka, Mary and Betty, and magandang umaga sa iyo, Ayin, at sa lahat ng nanonood ngayon. So I'm Pia, I am a wife, a mom also. Meron akong 8-year-old daughter and I am a full-time bank employee for more than 2 decades now. And of course, a part-time digital business owner. Katulad ng mga kasama ko ngayon. So I started this business to create a secondary income and alongside my full-time job and also to build financial security and achieve long-term financial goals na din. So, yon.
Wow, beautiful. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful ladies from Bangkok and Manila, Philippines. So for today, you are in luck, as I've said in the introduction, because we will be sharing with you our third secret reveal, which is about uh, our inside daily lives as online entrepreneurs. So first off, of course, we have Miss Ayin to share her thoughts.
Yes, yun. Makikita natin our beautiful ladies here. Meron tayong mga iba-ibang professions. But ako, like what I said kanina, I'm a stay-at-home mom. So medyo ang aking typical weekday, honestly, it's very routinary. It's pretty routinary. It's always been may time ako to wake up, ganyan. And then, pero since I'm a stay-at-home mom, I also welcome surprises. 'Di ba may mga surprises 'yan pag meron kang anak, 'di ba? Anything can happen. Sometimes, si Kali, my daughter, can be clingy or things don't go as planned as I would like it to be. Pero ano lang, go with the flow lang tayo. So, ito yung I can give you a quick rundown of my day. So, basically, yun, tayong mga mommies, we set our alarms. Ako ay usually nag-a-alarm ako 4:30 in the morning to prep my husband's coffee and snacks before sending him off. Kasi maaga siya sa office. And then, very important sa akin yung sleep. So, bumabalik pa ako sa pagtulog nun after that. And then by 7 a.m., it's time to start the day again. So, I prepare breakfast or brunch. Yan, linis-linis ng bahay, maintain the house, ano yung mga kailangang gawin. And then, yon usual household. And then, if there's still time, I get to work on our digital business. While I let Kali extend her sleep. So, yon after that, when she's already up, I turn my teacher hat kasi nga I'm also a homeschooling parent. So some days, we also head out for her supplemental classes. So lumalabas kami ng bahay for her math and kumon. And for homeschool naman, lahat yan, all subjects ako yung nagtuturo. So, iisip ka talaga ng engaging and effective way to teach your child. May pa-activity ako, may pa-presentation. So, homeschooling is basically the highlight of my day. So, ito yung bulk ng aking time. So, nandito yung challenges, and especially I would assume kayo mga ladies, 'di ba? Test of patience din sa anak. But nandun din yung fulfillment. So, here I can get intentional, getting to know more my daughter, teaching her values that my husband want to instill to her. That's why I really value ito yung homeschooling time ko. And then, ito actually yung gusto ko miski dati pa, even when Kali was not yet of her school age, I wanted to really try to do homeschooling, pero I didn't have the courage to do that. But this year, my husband and I, we decided to give it a try. Thanks to this business, kasi this business made the setup possible for homeschooling. So there, after nan, throughout the day, I find pockets of my free time to work on my business, whether it's answering, for example, business inquiries, guiding our business owners, listening to trainings, yung mga recordings natin, di ba, meron tayong mga ganyan sa ating business. Pag break ni Kali sa school, yung in between classes niya, or kunwari traveling kami, pag nasa supplemental classes niya. So there, in the evenings, after dinner, after homeschooling, ito yung mga priorities. That's the time I dedicate my time fully focusing on running our business. So, creating content, running ads, sa mga filing taxes pag may BIR tayo na deadline, and then training, of course. And I allocate time as a business coach also, guiding and supporting other business owners to thrive in the business. Yun. So basically, yun yung weekday ko. On weekends naman, it's very relaxed. It's all about family for us. Yan. We wake up late, we enjoy breakfast together, we do chores as a team. So kami dalawa ng husband ko, we share the task, washing clothes, luto, laba, di ba? So yun, we love taking also road trips and going out as a family. Pero minsan, di ba, tayo gusto na lang natin sa bahay. And of course, I still set aside time for business when needed. Like ito, itong tayong live sessions natin when possible. So, siguro, yun yung basically ang aking schedule. Pero, ang ano natin, topic natin, ano ba yung secret? So, it's what's the secret to balancing it all? We can't claim, kaming apat dito, we can't claim that we end the day perfectly. So may days na hirap ka mag-juggle as a mom, may days na talagang exhausted ka, or you feel that nothing gets accomplished in a day. But what helps me is having a to-do list. Meron kang, yung to-do list ko, it's nothing overwhelming dapat. Kasi I'm someone who gets stressed easily. So, yung having a to-do list helps me stay on track. And then another thing that helps me, not just sa aking buong day, but also sa aking business, is discipline. So it's easy to say I'm too tired to work on my business, especially after a long day of chores and homeschooling. But let's be honest, di ba? Being a stay-at-home mom means endless task yan. Ang daming mga ginagawa. Di ba may sinasabi tayo, pag mong tanungin yung nanay kung ano yung nagagawa niya sa maghapon. Kasi lilitanyahan ka niya, di ba? But yun, kahit na pagod, I show up consistently for my business because I know it's worth it. And it really helps na yung partner mo very supportive sa business. So I get overwhelmed at times, of course. There are days na may patience na titest, di ba? But at the end of the day, every parent wants to spend valuable time with their kids and give them the bright future. And etong business na to, ang beauty ng business na to, it's very flexible. Diba? We can pause whenever we need to. Pick it up again later on if talagang pagod, diba? It doesn't interfere with our schedule as moms, as employees, as stay-at-home mom. So yun, I encourage you to check out the business kasi hindi lang siya family-friendly. Talagang profitable din and life-changing yung business. So yun.
Yay! Bravo!
Wow. Iba talaga kapag nag-homeschool din yung anak kasi yun nga, you're not only a mom, no? But also you are transitioning yourself to teacher. Yeah, so sa loob lang din ng house. So I think Betty will be dito, sobrang makaka-relate talaga si Betty dito. So for me
Yes.
naman, so
Nag-homeschool din ang aking anak
di
during
ba?
COVID time. 2
Oo,
years.
tama. Yeah, lahat nag-switch sa digital platform. So
Mahirap,
correct.
di ba?
Correct. May talaga, a stay-at-home mom. Totoo yan. Saludo din ako sa mga stay-at-home mom. So as for me naman, no, my routine is since I am a full-time employee. So sa morning, my day starts early when I to get ready for school sa anak ko, sa daughter ko. Sa umaga, I spend few moments together. We spend few moments together kasi syempre magbe-breakfast, ganyan, before I head to the bank. So, syempre, I also prepare for myself. So, hindi ganun rami yung time namin magkasama sa morning. So, during the day naman, from 9 to 5, I'm fully focused on my role as a branch head. But thanks to the flexibility ng business natin, kasi I don't need to be on all the time. So the systems I set up allow my business to run while I'm at work. So during evening naman, when I go home after work, I prioritize, syempre, quality time with my family. So we have dinner together, we share or we catch up on each other's day. Tapos, syempre, chinecheck ko din yung homework ng anak ko. Yun talaga kailangang i-check. Kasi syempre, ayoko nung may namimiss kaming homework or siya. Kasi minsan yung teacher kasi nagre-remind kasi may GC kami. Parang, si ganito, kulang sa ganito o walang ganito. Di syempre, para sa akin parang minus points yun kasi parang hindi tayo nakapag-submit on time. So, tama ba, Teacher Betty?
Yes.
So after that, during nighttime, once everything has settled, I dedicate an hour or two to my digital business. So this is when I check on updates. I also make contests. I engage with the customers or plan for the next steps. So, yun. So, this business has um, shown me that even a full-time working mom like me can build something meaningful on the side without compromising what's most important to me. So if I can do it, so can you. Yun.
Yes. Oo.
Bravo.
Ayan, I think ang ganda ng sharing ni Pia kasi iba-ibang ano yan, view ng ng motherhood. May stay at home mom, may working mom, 'di ba? Pero nakikita na kaya. Ayan. So maybe Pia, we can
Oh,
Read
some
through the
comments.
comments. You have so many
yes.
fans, Pia.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Let's start with Melanie. Ku Pasibe. Hello, hello. Hello din
Good
sa'yo,
morning.
Melanie. Wow. Pinoy ensaymada in
Ensaymada.
Thailand. Kamusta naman yung
Yes.
lasa?
Siyempre
Ah,
masarap.
Malasang Thai. Hindi.
Paborito ko
may kasama
yan.
ng Yes. Ito
Meron
pa.
pa ba? Wow, juicy secret reveal for this episode.
Yes.
Hehe.
Ito dapat si Betty or si Grace ang magbasa.
Maganda.
From Melanie, magandang umaga and sawadika. Sawadika.
Yun, sawadika.
As well from
Ganun ang
Bangkok.
presentation, pronunciation. Yan. Ayan. Thank you for watching.
Thank you, Mel.
Also, Anna is watching. Hello, Anna Gracia Montanesa. She says, hello, ladies, watching live from Manila.
Hello, Anna.
Manila.
Ang dami
meron
natin.
pa pala. Yes, ang dami. Madami pala. Yes.
That's for Ayin, Mom's to-do list reveal.
Oh, may ibang kabilang session. Mahaba daw. Yan. Here, another.
That's
from
my mom and
Aria's
dad.
family.
Wow.
Mommy and daddy.
Magandang umaga po sa inyo.
Watching
Watching
us.
from Baguio. Wow, mainit
Good
po ba
morning
dyan?
po.
Oh,
Ay, parang
malamig.
sarap mag-Baguio.
Ano
Malamig.
ang
Lalo na
temperature
pag
sa
Pasko.
Baguio? Oh.
Sabi
From
ng parents
Melanie.
ko, starting to get cold daw in Baguio.
Oh,
Sarap.
kasi
Christmas
mag-December
din.
na.
Oo.
Yes, Melanie said, pockets of free time are gold.
Yes.
Correct.
Oo.
Mhm. So for our new viewers who just logged in, welcome again. So we are the Zoe, or we call ourselves Zealous Online Entrepreneurs, and we're talking about our season 3 third reveal, which is inside the daily lives of online entrepreneurs. And for our avid fans, Melanie, Anna, our families, thank you for viewing. Thank you for
Thank you
watching us
po.
live. Good morning. So next up is Betty to answer our third secret reveal. So how about you, Betty? What can you share?
Okay, it's my turn. Sawadee ka again sa mga bagong nag-tune up lang sa atin. So, i-share ko ngayon kung gaano ka busy yung aking buhay. Ayan, as a teacher. So, kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, ako ay isang guro at syempre ang buhay ng guro, marami talagang gawain, sobrang daming papel. Ayan, pero mabuti na lang dito sa Thailand, hindi ganon kabigat ang trabaho ko kagaya sa Pilipinas compare sa Pilipinas. Ayan, dito kasi 11 hours a week lang yung turo ko. So, marami akong oras sa school. Parang mas marami akong oras sa school na free kaysa sa dito sa bahay. So, ayan, basically, or usually sa umaga, gumigising ako 5 o'clock, nakaset yung alarm, or minsan earlier pa, minsan nga 4 o'clock. Ayan, pag gusto kong, mayroon akong time na gumawa, kapag kailangan kong gagawin talaga yung aking business, so gumigising talaga ako ng maaga. Pero I begin my morning with prayer. Of course, meron akong personal devotion. Meron din kaming family devotional sa umaga. Before kami aalis papuntang school ay magkakaroon kami ng morning devotional. And we usually leave like 7 to 7:15 kasi kung hindi, malilate na kami niyan. Pag 7:20, medyo late na kami niyan kasi traffic. It's about 20 to 30 minutes gawa ng traffic. Ang daming traffic lights. Ayan. And then, yeah, kung free time ko sa school or lunch break, so doon ako nag-check at chine-check ko yung aking online business, ayan. At ang maganda dito ay hindi naman kailangang mag full-time ka dito sa digital business na ito dahil it runs online nga and it operates automatically. Kaya nagustuhan ko talaga yung business na ito na hindi kailangang nakatutok dito dahil syempre busy sa main job. So maganda yung flow ng business na ito kasi the system works automatically. Ayan. So after school naman, syempre it's family time. Sometimes, yeah, we have dinner together. Pero sometimes, sometimes sa labas na rin kumakain kami. Pag galing namin sa school, dadaan na kami kung saan kami pwedeng kakain. Lalo ano ba pagkain sa bahay? So wala. Walang natira. Kumbaga, so kakain na lang kami sa labas. And then, yun. Pag uwi namin, meron din kami family worship sa gabi kasi umaga, hapon. We have to thank God dahil we are still alive and He protected the day. Yan. So, and yeah, sa aming worship, umaawit kami ng mga religious songs. Sometimes nagpi-play ang violin, accompanying me, ako nagpi-play ng piano kasi medyo marunong ako basic.
Pwede mo yeah. Pala. Wow.
Yeah. Ko lang naman yun.
Then, then
that's another secret reveal.
Yes. Then after the worship, ay i-assist ko siya sa pagpa-practice sa violin. And kasi kung hindi ko siya i-assist, hindi siya magpa-practice. Kaya I have to be, nasa present sa kanyang practice. And hindi ako nag-check ng homework kasi wala daw siyang homework, lalo na ngayong high school na siya. Wala na siyang homework kasi ginagawa na raw niya sa school. Okay, it's up to you. Hindi rin ako makakatulong sa kanya kasi Thai naman. So, hindi ko rin mababasa. Kaya siya na yung bahala. Ang English, sabi niya, mami, walang problema. Okay. So, yeah, pagkatapos sa gabi, kung everything is settled, ay pupunta na ako sa aking computer upang upang tumingin ng mga messages kung meron about sa business. And sometimes ay nag-training pa rin ako, lalo na ngayon na bago na yung ano natin. So, kailangang mag-training din at review. I still learning sa business na ito. Dahil wala nga akong much time, busy sa pagiging guro. Kaya, bagaman hindi ko nagagawa ng yung napaka-religious na kagaya ng mga full-time, kagaya ni Coach Ayin. So, but it's still in my heart na sabi ko, ito talaga yung makakatulong sa akin upang makapag-retire ako ng early. Kaya hanggang ngayon, talagang sinisikap. I don't want to give up kahit it's not that easy, but I said, Lord, I don't want to give up kasi alam ko na may potential ang business na ito. Yan. And tapos na tayo sa weekdays. Kung kung weekends, so it's a bit different. On Saturdays, we go to church for the whole day. We are in church and a time to recharge and bond with family and church friends. And on Sundays, sometimes we go to the park to do some exercise, and sometimes a stadium. My son and I, we play badminton. Ayan. Yun yung banding namin. Kasi he loves badminton and also I love badminton. So, ayun, doon kami nagbabanding.
Banding.
Yes. And my husband naman he is a marathoner. So minsan magja-jogging din kami. Ganyan.
Ang daming secrets reveal
Sobrang
And
supportive pala ng family nila, Miss Betty.
yeah, sobrang
Oo.
busy. And they
Ah,
also take
okay
care
na.
of house chores. Yeah. And I work more flexibly on my business during Sunday afternoon. Yan. So, yung Sunday afternoon, dapat umaga hanggat tanghali tapos na yung house chores. Hapon ay business naman. Ayan. And
Mm-mm.
now, what's the secret is, what's the secrets to balancing it all? Prioritization and leveraging technology. I've learned to focus on what matters most: faith, family, work, and growth. And I rely on systems that simplify my business.
Mm-mm.
This digital business, I perfect for someone like me who's always juggling so much. Yeah, it's not
Mm-mm.
about adding more to your plate. It's about creating time freedom and building something sustainable alongside what you're already doing. So, kung nagagawa ko ito bilang guro, busy na guro, I know na magagawa niyo din. So, yung mga teachers, hello there. Yan. At sa mga busy moms, na mga working moms, magagawa niyo rin ito. So, thank you for listening, and I hope this inspires you to take a step forward your own goals. Thank you.
Yay! Bravo!
Thank you, Betty.
Thank
Mabuhay
you,
ang mga
Betty. Daming
nanay!
revelation.
Oo. Tsaka
Mabuhay ang mga
agree
guro!
ako dun. Yes, and agree ako dun sa sinabi ni Betty na i-leverage mo yung flexibility din na business plus yung technology. Because it can do a
Totoo.
lot for us. Na tayong busy mommies or not even mommies, busy professionals, you can do the business side by side your profession by leveraging technology. Diba? Ang dami nagagawa for us.
True. Very
Correct.
true.
Ako naman, yung sinabi niya na during weekends, they play badminton with the family, tapos magma-marathon din yung asawa niya. So, it's also a way to take care of ourselves during a busy day, di ba? So,
Yes,
Mm-mm.
that's
yes.
the time that we can take care of also of ourselves, di ba?
Mhm.
Mm-mm.
Ako naman, I got struck dun sa sinabi ni Ate Betty na it's a sad truth, no? Sometimes we spend more time at work. Oh, nakita niyo ba yung thumbs
Mm-mm.
up ko?
Ay, ang
Yeah.
We
galing!
spend...
O baka sa'yo lang yun. Parang
Oh,
Sa
may
wala.
kanya lang
fireworks pa!
yun.
Natuwa.
Yeah,
Uy,
because
ko
I'm
din.
using iPad, I guess.
Mm-mm.
So, yun, yung sad truth that we spend much more time sa work rather than with our family. So, for me naman, why I joined this business is yung promise ng business na we can get back our time, which is normally lost because of, too much job, too much, overtime. Like sometimes we
Mm.
become workaholic kasi akala natin yung job lang yung magsusustain sa mga gastusin sa bahay, which I can relate very much kasi I'm in the manufacturing industry. So I start my day on the weekdays. I wake up in the 5 o'clock in the morning, and our shuttle bus will pick us up at 6 o'clock. So imagine, um, ano tawag doon? Nag-grow pa lang yung sun. Lumalabas
Ano,
pa lang yung sun.
Malabas pa
O
lang yung
sunrise
madilim
pa
pa.
lang.
Sunrise
Oo.
pa lang. I have to be on the bus na.
Mm-mm.
And then we have to work until 5:30 or 6, and then we get back to the house, which is around 7 p.m. na my time. So kumbaga, hindi ko pa nasisilayan yung araw. Pag uwi ko, madilim na. So yun yung
Oo.
yun yung katotohanan sa mga manufacturing workers
Totoo.
out there. So hello, kaway-kaway sa mga manufacturing workers. Doon ko rin namit ang aking husband. He worked as an engineer then. He was a design engineer. And ganun din. Sometimes we have to work so late, like me, when we have customers visiting from abroad. So we have to entertain them until late night, and sometimes we have to entertain and bring them to dinner pa and show around Thailand. So yun yung aking buhay as a sales executive. Madalas I have to work OT. And
Mm-mm.
sa ating mga workers, akala natin working OT is, yay, more money.
Mm-mm.
And
Pero,
sometimes when we work so hard, when we show to our bosses that we work so hard, oh, that's KPI plus plus plus, no? More money. Pero yun yung mga doon tayo nabubulag na akala natin yun na yun. So when I saw this online opportunity through an ad where I met Miss Aying. By the way, we don't know each other. I just saw the
mm-mm.
advertisement from Miss Aying on Facebook and I got interested and then I clicked on and I realized na there's more to life. Why
Totoo.
am I sulking in
Mm-mm.
my job, 'di ba? Especially now I'm already 17 years in the corporate structure and
Mm-mm.
ngayon that I'm a mom and I have a family of my own, it's an eye opener talaga that why am I spending too much to strangers and working so hard for strangers for them to
Mm-mm.
get
Mm-mm.
rich? Why don't I
Tama.
put on my energy, my talents, my skills
Effort.
to myself so I can get rich, 'di ba?
Yes.
Lalong-lalo na ngayon, lahat yumayaman, nag-aral man or may bachelor degree man, nagmasteral or hindi, kick out man sa school, yumayaman because of the digital
Yes.
business. So, ito po
Mm-mm.
yung invitation
Any
natin to all out
background.
there who's listening na this business is open to all. In fact, we have, baby boomers in the team. We have millennials like me and
Mm-mm.
our ladies here. We have Gen Zs
Ladies.
and not yet Generation Alpha. We are dealing with Generation
Oo.
Alpha, our kids these days. And
Yes.
what struck me the most is yung sinabi ng ating founders that the world is working so fast. Everything is fast paced,
Mm-mm.
and we cannot stop it. AI, AIoT, all these things, we cannot stop it. We can just try to learn it and maximize it and learn
Yes,
from
take
it.
advantage.
So that's what I'm doing on the weekends now. If before I try to work so hard, even on the weekends, to
Mm-mm.
show off to my bosses and my company that
Mm-mm.
I'm diligent and so on, but it's not true. We're all after the money. Now I have an option to spend more time on the weekends with my family because I have a business on the background which works 24/7, even if I'm sleeping, even if I'm out on the beach, even if I'm
True.
traveling with my family. Lalo na si Meng kasi he loves traveling and he likes
Yes.
driving around. And
Mm-mm.
this year, when we joined this business, we are so fortunate that we are able to schedule yearly uh, travels abroad
Travels.
and monthly
Mm-mm.
travels around the countryside. And, we can
Mm-mm.
all do all this because we're so confident that the business will back us up. Even if we lose
Mm-mm.
our
True.
jobs, we have a business that will back
Yes.
us up. So, yun ang aking
Mm-mm.
sharing.
Yes.
So, for all the people
Mm-mm.
out there who are working so hard, there's nothing wrong about
Mm-mm.
it, especially if you live to work, right? But we're
Mm-mm.
Yes.
inviting you to look at the other side. How about
Yes.
you work to live? When you find out that this business can help you nurture yung iba nyo pang skills, like si Ate Betty, magaling pala mag-piano, magaling palang sporty pala yung kanyang
Badminton.
family.
Badminton.
Oo.
Uh-huh. You can
Mm.
showcase that in the social media or in your website and
Mm.
leverage on that as your your life purpose. Kasi in this business, we invite everybody to share your life purpose to others. Kasi the
Mm.
digital or the social media sometimes is so, so negative.
Toxic.
So in
Mm.
our community, we invite everybody to turn it around to positivity. So in this business, you will find out a community who supports each other, who have the same goal, dreams of lifting up each other and sharing positive values. So if you are that person,
Mm.
if you like helping out people, if you are a religious person or a faithful person like Ate Betty, who want to spend more
Mm.
in the ministry, in the church, or if you are a family oriented person, you want to bring your family and even extended family and friends abroad and everywhere else
Mm.
without the worry of no money or no finances to support it, this is the business for you. So TikTok, TikTok. Hello everyone. Good morning. We hope you are learning so
Oo.
far from our sharings. We have here
Mm-mm.
Ayin from the finance and industry turned into a full-time mom because of this business. We have here Pia,
Yes.
a bank manager who is balancing her life through this digital business. And we have Betty, a full-time teacher and a full-time mom to her children as well. And yours truly, Mary. So we still have many
Yes.
comments on the page. Miss
Yes.
Ayin, I guess. Thank you
Oo.
guys for listening.
Thank you, Grace and Mary. So, I think, ano lang, before we read the comments, natuwa lang ako doon sa sharing mo, Mary, because you pointed out na itong business na to, you can prioritize whatever you want or kung sino man yung sa family members mo. Through this business, hindi kailangan silang ma-put aside because you are running a business. In fact, this business really helps us to actually give them more time kung ano yung passion natin, yung mga mahal natin sa buhay. So, yun, maganda yung pinoint out mo. So, there. Anyway, we have still a few more comments here. Yan, from Mel and Jess. They said that's why we love this online business too, because it still runs for us in the background even when you're busy offline. Yes, we can live life na not thinking about yung 24/7 about the business and we can still put on our time and energy and effort doon sa things and people that matter. So yan, kay Mel again, nakakamiss yung Thai food. Yes, ako din. Yan.
Come and visit us here.
Yes.
Pag
Yes.
nagpunta kami ng Thailand, pupuntahan kita dyan. At saka si
Of
Miss Betty.
course.
Oo
Sure.
nga,
Of
Betty.
course.
Si
Yeah,
Betty, I
hopefully.
want to hopefully meet her in person kasi kami ni Mary, we were able to meet na.
Yan nga.
So, kay Mel, leveraging technology. Yes, we're
Technology.
leveraging technology, yes. And then, can relate as a former workaholic too. O, like Mary. Si Mel ay very workaholic. So, I can just imagine when you're a mom parent at work, pero ang isip mo nasa kids. Oh, especially when
Yes.
they get sick. Oh, anong comment nyo dito mga employed moms?
Totoo talaga yan. Totoo.
Kapag
Minsan na-absent
nagkakasakit,
talaga ako. Na-absent
Mm.
ako sa work para kung may sakit, para alagaan ang family.
Correct.
Parang I can imagine, di ba? Mm-mm.
Oh, like
Yan.
now,
Next.
the daughter of Pia is here.
Oo nga, hello.
Beautiful daughter.
Say
Yes.
hello.
Say hi.
O
Wow.
see, nakakapag-live tayo with our kids beside us, literally beside us, di ba?
Yes.
Yan.
Very kid-friendly business.
Yes.
Oh, Melanie
Ayan,
said
Mel.
something.
Thanks, Lidis, for sharing. See you on the next episode. Yes, thank you sa mga nag-tune in.
Thank you,
Ayan.
Maraming
everyone.
salamat.
Thank
I also
you.
like the sharing of Mary. Ang galing. Maganda yung sharing mo. At saka yung realization na
Yes.
sa work na yun nga, we devote our time sa work. Ako din, as a branch head talagang sobrang, diba, like what I said kanina, tutok ako sa work ko kasi nga, syempre, you're a leader and also kailangan talaga focus tayo kapag nasa work tayo.
True.
Tama.
So there. Thank you so much ladies sa mga inyong mga shinare.
Yes.
Thank you then,
Secret
Pia and Ayin
revelation.
and Betty.
Yeah,
We
thank
learned
you.
so much from you. I think we have to share to others too na we don't know each other. We never met each other in person before, but
Before.
we met each other here in the online world. And that's the
Yes.
beauty of this. You meet like-minded
Exactly.
people who are as passionate as you. Meron palang mga taong ganito na you can be
Oo.
you can be friends with and do the business with. So welcome
Yes.
everybody. If you're looking for a friend online, tap on
Yeah.
our link or follow
Oo.
us on our socials.
Yes.
Kaya-
Hindi lang pang
Yes.
business. Yes.
That's the beauty of this business. Marami kang makikilala at marami kang magiging friends sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
Mm.
Correct.
So that's it, everyone. Thank you for tuning in, especially for those who joined us live. And for those who will be watching this in replay and who are continuously sharing this link to others, please share the good news. There's a business, there's hope for all moms and dads and hardworking individuals out there who are looking for, extra income streams. So there you have
Yes.
it, ladies and gentlemen. We are Zoe, Zealous
Yes.
online entrepreneurs. And to sum it
Yes.
up, we have Betty here to share kung ano ba yung mga na-share namin kanina.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us today in our third secret reveal of insider secrets of zealous online entrepreneurs. We hope you enjoy this behind the scenes look into the daily lives of online entrepreneurs, our weekday routines, weekend habits, and how we balance work, passion, and personal life. As you have seen, being an entrepreneur isn't just about managing a business. It's about designing a life. Yeah, mga mamis? It's about crafting routines and habits that lead to success while staying true to what matters most.
Mm-mm.
Before we wrap up, let me remind you of something important. Success isn't about having more hours in the day. It's about how you make those hours count. And as Zilla's online entrepreneurs, we work with passion, and strategy to create a life we love. If you're curious to learn more, don't forget to register on respective websites to join our live webinar. It's a perfect opportunity to dive deeper into the journey of online entrepreneurs and ask questions in real time. And if you missed the live webinar, no worries. You can catch the replay on our website too. And thank you for being part of this journey with us. Share today's session with someone who needs
Yes.
journey. Stay inspired, stay driven, and stay true to the insider secret of zealous online entrepreneurs. Dare, thrive, live more. See you next time.
Yes. Thank you everyone for watching and happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Happy weekend!
Everyone. Thank you
Bye!
so much for sharing.
Bye-bye.
Mummies.